So I heard it's basically impossible to drink a bottle of water and not burp, so gotta test it out. So I guess let's get started. There's nothing in a bottle. Oh, this actually sucks.